Hello, YouTube. This is Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. Today is May 14th at 5:25. You're looking at what is called the point and figure, a point and figure chart. We also have a video set if anyone is interested. We use these price charts in a myriad of ways, but point and figure is one of our go-to charts. Even on an intraday basis, because it's known for taking out all of the noise. It shows just price. It clearly shows where resistance and support is. It tells you if it's in an uptrend. It tells you if it's in a downtrend. It tells you if you're in a rip. It tells you if you're in a dip. And the rules are the rules. They're black and white. Places to enter, places to exit are all the same. Now, nothing against Elliott Wave and some of the other systems that are out there, but if you put 500 people, I like to say, into a conference room and give them a 3-day seminar on Elliott Wave and then ask them collectively for their opinion on the S&P as to where they are, you'll probably get about 600 opinions. Whereas if you watch particularly our video set on point and figure for maybe an hour and a half and give everyone the same task to look at the SPX on point and figure, everyone will agree on exactly where to enter and where to exit. There is no gray area. It's black and it's white. No gray. So where are we? Today, the S&P closed at 2834.1. The S&P is still in a point and figure uptrend. Currently, it is in a dip. The first level of support, is at 2730.75. Now, it may or may not get there. We think it's likely for a host of other reasons that are not shown on the point and figure, but in the meantime, that is the level of support that must hold. Because if 2730 breaks support based on where price is now, this could change, over time. Although point and figure does record time, it does not depend on time. If it breaks 2730, we will be going much lower. In fact, the first level of support will be in this area at 2724, this 2600 area. If it breaks 2730, that will be the first signal, point and figure signal, to sell. That is the sell signal. This is just a pullback. Now, if one wants to, lighten up on a pullback, that might be wise. In order for this advance to continue, point and figure must reverse, put up X's, and actually take out this X at 2927.74. If it is not able to do so, again, it will oscillate in here until it either breaks out or breaks down. And this structure could change, and so the support level could change over time. We'll stay in gear and keep our members well apprised of this. When you step back and take a look at the overall chart, you can see the uptrend, but you can also see a head here. This was back, number 9 means September area here. This is left shoulder, right shoulder. It actually looks like a head and shoulders top formation to us. But we think that the pullback has started, and based on some of the volume trends that we see, some of the other tools that we use, we think 2730 is the first level of support, and we think that that level of support is probably going to get broken on this run. We will see. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you like this approach to the markets, you're more than welcome to follow. Better yet, you're more than welcome to join. If you are a swing trader, investor, our monthly memberships start at just $99 a month, $99.95 as a matter of fact, month to month. If you are an active trader, intraday, we have what we call a level 2 membership, and we even have a jump start program that teaches you all of our systems much beyond point and figure, systems that are proprietary to us. But point and figure is beautiful because it takes out all the noise. And I tell you what, we got a few more minutes left here on YouTube, so let me populate the other major markets and take a look at what we have. So this is the Russell, and same thing. We are in a pullback on the Russell. We're currently at 1543. We think we're coming to 1503. If we break 1503, the point and figure will signal a sell signal, and we will be breaking down. What's dangerous about the Russell is there's very little support. In fact, the support was broken back in last December. So this area of 1473 is likely to get broken on a break below 1500, rapidly go to 1473. And if we break that, folks, we are headed down quickly to 1269. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. So similar to the S&P, we are currently still in an uptrend, but on right now a severe pullback and right on critical support that we think is going to get broken. So we've taken a look at the S&P, we've taken a look at the Russell. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ composite. Okay, this is the NASDAQ composite, also utilizing point and figure. By the way, these charts are courtesy of Stock Charts, stockcharts.com, which is a wonderful site. We have our own members, but we're not currently a member of Stock Charts, but we had been for some 12 to 15 years. Very nice folks, very nice products. The NASDAQ is still in an uptrend, but it is in a severe pullback, and if we break 7609, it'll be a sell signal. And it'll be the first point and figure sell signal since way back over here, back in December. If we break 7609, we will go rapidly to 7386. And if we break 7386, as the price structure is now, we will come right here to 6958. More than likely, we think we will break 7609. Very well may break that this week. We think we'll come down here to 7386. We may have a throwback for a matter of days, or at least in price, and then another pullback. But we think that this area is going to get tested and most likely break. We are gearing up. We think that the markets are just now pulling back. We think these levels, these support levels, if they're broken, we will go into market correction. And if these trends don't hold, we will be into a significant market decline. And it would be a bear market scenario. But right now, this is where we are. So we take all the noise out. These are the levels to watch. A break below 7609, a break below 7386, and a break below 6958 would send us to challenge this level here, 6236, and it could be Katie by the door at that point. We could be much, much lower. Let's take a look at the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, this is the New York Stock Exchange, some 2,500 stocks using point and figure. We're at 12,620. The next level of support is right here, just a few hundred points, 12,391. A break below there will signal a sell signal, and we have very little support. A little support here at 11,908, most likely headed down to challenge this area down here. So all the markets appear to be the same. Right now, an important pullback, and a pullback that's done so on volume. We have very little support levels on a pullback. These support levels taken out will go into correction, and we think very likely that we're going to revisit the lows, maybe over a period of time, revisit the lows of December, putting us in full-blown correction. And if we take out those lows, we will be in a bear market. To us, does it matter? Not really. We trade intraday, we trade swing, we invest on all sides of the market. Really doesn't matter to us. But this is just one example of one of the tools that we will use to filter out all of the noise and to make our decisions how to deploy our capital. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. Feel free to check us out.